It started with a faint clatter echoing from the basement, a sound I hardly noticed while I folded laundry. An old typewriter, one I'd inherited from my grandfather, sat in the corner collecting dust, forgotten until now. Curiosity got the better of me, and I descended the creaky stairs to find a fresh sheet of paper in the carriage, words inked in a hurried scrawl. Find them before it's too late. My heart raced as I realized each message that appeared told tales of those who'd mysteriously vanished from our quiet town, names of people I'd known, people believed to have simply moved away. As the days went by, the typewriter continued its eerie work, revealing secrets of hidden lives and unsettling fates. The final message was the most chilling. "You're next." I stumbled back, eyes darting around the shadowed basement, feeling an unseen presence. The typewriter sat silent, yet I knew it still had stories to tell.